Okay, so it's really nice out, and I was helping my dad put out bird feeders today, so I decided I'm gonna make a birdhouse, double-decker birdhouse, and I have no idea what I'm doing, but I have a bunch of stuff. So I'm actually gonna try to make a plan, because I have this big thing. Oh, paper's flying away. And I have a bunch of like other things, but I'm gonna try to make a plan. I'm just gonna sit on the back of this chair. Double-decker birdhouse. I think I might use this for the middle where the two little houses connect, and then use the other big wood that I showed you for the sides, and I'll figure out what I'm gonna do for the top. What did that draw? Ah! Okay, cutting this out. I colored it in, and I made squares that I have to cut out. That just doesn't work. Dad! Guys, these birds are gonna love me. I set up so many bird feeders today. I'm such a god. Yeah!
This little cut sucks.
What?
This little one, so I'm just gonna cut the middle.
Okay.
Okay. Hold it in.
Yep! Dad, this is gonna be the most epic birdhouse you've ever seen in your entire life. And then, next layer. What hole?
The bird's gonna get inside the house.
It's not. Okay, now I need to put these together somehow. I think I'm just gonna go like this. Don't really know what I'm doing, but we're trying. Yeah, I have no idea where I put that in. Oh. Ew! Ew! There was bird poop on it. I just touched bird poop. Okay, we're actually gonna try and screw it now, which is definitely gonna split the wood because it already split with the nail. But you know, it's okay. Yes! Ew, look at those bugs in it.
Come on, come on. Oh.
There's bugs in mine. Probably bugs in yours. Got the bottom layer of our deluxe birdhouse. We're so good, Dad.
So you're just gonna put this like this?
Yeah.
It's gonna be weird.
You're gonna be weird. No.
There's a purple, not purple, silver knife. that opens up. Just grab the
Wait, can I do that? Let's see if I can do that.
slowly. Okay. Doggy.
Guys, we got this, and then whatever my dad's doing right now, we're gonna put it on top for a flat part, and then we're gonna add another layer.
Put it like this. That's fine. You need some AC going. You need some ventilation over here.
I'm so good.
So now, how are you gonna attach the second floor to it?
I don't know. We have to build the second part. Oh.
Yeah, put it right there.
What did we even do?
Huh? It's supposed to be like this.
I think we're supposed to nail this to this side.
Alright, so is it on the edge over there? Of the wood?
That was not English, what? Dad, you're really bad.
It's alright. Just put another couple over there.
Nail it on the ground.
It's gonna break, I'm telling you. It's not even. It's not even. It's gonna break.
Pretty sturdy to
It's
me.
gonna break, I'm telling you.
It's not gonna break.
It's gonna break, and I'm gonna be pissed off.
This is the birdhouse, double-decker. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna go up against the tree like this, and then there's gonna be 2 holes there and there for the birds, and then there's a layer in between that separates it. Oh, got it. Except the piece is stuck in there now.
Yeah.
Guys, we got the holes in our bird feeder. What's it called? Birdhouse?
Alright.
Double-decker birdhouse.
Now,
This is our birdhouse. I swear to God, that dropped. Uh-oh. Bye, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like,
subscribe,
post every Sunday.
post every Sunday.
Love you all.
Love you all.
Peace.
Peace.